This is Chapter 6 review number 18. So here we're asked to find the inverse algebraically. So the first thing I'd want to do is take my equation and solve it equal to x. So this is a quadratic equation, so I'm just going to use the quadratic formula. So negative b plus or minus the square root of, oh, it's got to be equal to 0 though. Sorry. So we would have subtracted the y over. And that's like my c term. So this is the square root of 4 squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. So if I simplify this, I'm going to have negative 4 plus or minus 6, square root 16 minus 16 plus 4y all over 2. So 16 minus 16, those just cancel out. And leave me with the 4y underneath. And the square root of 4y I can simplify because the square root of 4 is just 2. And then if I reduce that, I'm going to have 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 2y divided by 2 is just, or 2 square root y divided by 2 is just going to be 2 square root y. And since I know that x has to be greater than or equal to negative 2, I forgot that negative sign there. So I know that here I'd have to be adding something. When I take the square root of something, I always get a non-negative result. So I can't be subtracting here, because if I took negative 2 and I subtracted something from it, positive, you get something smaller than negative 2, but we're told x has to be greater than negative 2. So that one can go away. And my last step then is to swap my x and y's. So my inverse is going to be negative 2 plus square root x. And that's that.